No, no. Boleh na. Ayo. Boleh na.
Thank you very much for your time. I know
Thank
you're
you.
very busy.
Thank you.
This is all representative of our radio stations, all 5 of them. We managed to stay on air in the Central Division and the West. Yeah, we kept these people, that was our biggest challenge, and we actually achieved it. We lost it in the North, but whole of Central, out to Coral, we had it on. Straight after cyclone, we got numerous calls from our listeners from affected places, and they said, we want to contribute somehow. So we sent our team out to Lombasa, right through Vanolevu, Nosori, Suva, Lotoka, covered the whole place. Our team marched down from Nosori to Suva, 22 kilometers on Saturday. And our listeners, this is not from us, not from CFL, we just exercised it. They've given this small loloma. Makeli, you can hold a check and present it to the Prime Minister. This is how much the people of Fiji through us.
Oh. No, Olive. This is only from the walkathon.
We did about 80,000 on the walkathon, and the rest was
just donation.
Donations. These are $1, $2. Grandma. We had people crying on the way and insisting, and they said, "These are not huge donations. These are not from companies or whatever. These are from all over the place." So you probably got about 100,000 people have somehow.
Big amount of money from individuals in Fiji.
Yes, yeah, and we got a lot of compliments for staying on air, because radio is the only thing that keeps them connected, and still they give this, and we're very conscious about rattling the bucket when there's hardship around, but this is from them and from their hearts and goodwill. Anyway, so I like to present this on behalf of our listeners.
Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank you on behalf of Gaman, especially those that were affected by the cyclone in the recent event. I'd like to thank you for these wonderful donations. Okay. And I know it will go a long way towards helping those that need relief right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.